what has happened recently has been a breach of the Ouagadougou Agreement. And so the initial response is to ensure that there's a dialogue of all those parties to come back to the Ouagadougou Agreement and abide by its implementation. With regards to Nigeria, I cannot go into the detail, but what President Jonathan's words were everything possible would be done to not only retrieve the girls, but eliminate the menace of Boko Haram. And so everything possible could include everything. And so everything possible includes everything. It could include military action, it could include dialogue, it could include negotiations, and any other thing. But there was no decision to put ECOWAS forces in Nigeria to fight Boko Haram. We're going to keep a strong communication with the Nigerian authorities and give whatever support in terms of solidarity for now and intelligence sharing